All right, these are the elevators here at the State Street Capitol parking ramp here in Madison, Wisconsin. Got some Montgomery KONE elevators to ride. Gonna start off riding this one. This one has to replace chimes. On the lower level. That's what you call it. We'll get a cab, you know. Pretty decent basic elevators for a parking ramp. Indicator. Chime is wired backwards. Older innovation universal buttons. Put a 6. 2,500 mile capacity. ADA phone. Here we go. Alrighty, here at 6. Go back down to lower level. Door close doesn't work. There's the other elevator. Oh my goodness, I'm low battery already. Let's go up to 3R. I want to see the rear door. Let's go up to 3R. And just cancel my call. Does it actually work? That chime is still original. All right, let's go down let's switch cars at, switch that at 1. Gotta hurry up because my battery is dying. That's unfortunate. Oh, here we go. Other elevators here already. So you can see this one's a little different because it doesn't have a rear door. This one has S, which is locked. This one has a replace indicator. This doesn't run too bad for Montgomery KONE. These don't run too bad. Look out the window again so you guys can view the counterweight. Do it from an angle like this. We'll do it straight. All right, we'll end back at the. Oh wait, we're in the lower level. We'll end at 1. Oh really? Oh, never mind. What the heck? Did you just cancel my call? Just cancel my call again. What the heck? I'm gonna go back down to 1. What the heck? I pushed 1 and it canceled my call and it just took me up to 4. What the heck? How in the world did it do that? That's kind of strange. That was kind of glitchy right there, as you can see. Still not bad elevators though. That was strange. All right, there it goes. And that's it.